Hi guys, welcome back again for another session with Malit Official. Today I'll be showing you how to install Office 2019 on your macOS device. I'll be installing the Office package on my updated macOS Mojave device. To download your Microsoft Office 2019, you can visit www.office.com, or for those who have access to the MSDN, to download Microsoft software. After downloading the software, double click on the PKG file which you get from the Microsoft Office and click continue. After clicking continue, you can read the license and agreement for what we get from the Office installation, but most probably no one reads. Click continue from that and agree on the terms and conditions. Keep the default location if you want, or you can change it, and click next. After that, they will be asking for verification of your macOS device. So put your password and click install. So after a few minutes, according to your device, the installation take place. So for the moment of this installation, it takes from 10 to 14 minutes. It differs from device to device. I have fast forwarded my installation so that it doesn't take long to develop this video. So after the few moments of your installation, you can click finish or close in this instant. After closing, you can go to your app folders and you can see that PowerPoint, Outlook, OneNote, Word and Excel is installed on your PC. So after that, click on your Word or Excel. For this instance, I'll be using Word first. So after clicking Word, you can see the user intelligence service. So turn on that and click on a new document and click create. So if there is any update on your Word document, they'll be showing you what are the things that have been updated. For this, I don't think much of the things have been updated for Word. But as for my information, I'll be showing you that Excel, PowerPoint has been updated and more functions to come. I'll be adding that on my future videos for that. So when you click on insert, designs or other things as the same as before, but some of the features has been added. I'll be doing an in-depth review later. To check your install version, click on the Word and say about Microsoft Word. Then that 16.17 is installed on your PC with the updated version. You can close that and we will be opening Microsoft Excel for further updates. When you click Excel, you will get a splash screen as you can see on the description. So these are the updates what are available on the Office 2019. So we'll click continue and we'll be creating a blank Excel sheet. From that, you can see the new section draw is available on Office Excel. And for my information, we have about several new functions in Excel. You will be getting to hear about that in my future videos regarding Excel new functions. So that's in Microsoft PowerPoint as well. You'll be having the draw tab and the draw functions which was available on Microsoft Excel. And for my information, you will be having the new transition morph. More about transitions and how to create different types of presentation, I'll be starting my new segment, PowerPoint presentation methods, in my future videos. So stay tuned to these videos as well. So that's all guys. So if you have any questions or any troubles installing Microsoft Office 2019 on your macOS device, please drop a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible as a reply for your solutions. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button in my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get alerts for my future videos. Thank you.